Ever feel like your own worst enemy? Dr. David Hawkins' 3-step self-love method is a game changer. Why? Because it instantly stops toxic self-blame, frees you from anxiety, and unlocks a deep sense of inner peace you've never felt before. The secret? You don't do it just once a day. You do it every single time a negative emotion hits. Here's how to do it in 45 seconds. Step 1. Face your feelings. When negative emotions rise, don't run away or suppress them. Simply look at them and say, "It's okay to feel this way right now. Just allow it." Step 2. Stop the blame. Do not judge yourself for feeling down. Remind yourself, I am not my emotions. They are just temporary energy passing through me. Step 3. Let it go. When you stop fighting the feeling, the pain naturally dissolves. When the negativity leaves, unconditional love takes its place. Let go of who you think you should be and love who you are.